Welcome back. Today I'm going to try my luck with Amazon Bird. Hopefully I'll get the diamond. We'll see. Every time one of these comes, oops, I forgot I aired. Um, every time the season changes, I try my luck. So we'll see what happens. No thanks. Here we go. Come on, bird. Go. What do we got? What do we got? They're in the shrubs. They're in the shrubs. Come on. Come on. What are you? What are you? What are you? Oh, I'll take it. I'll take that. Yeah. Got myself a white Amazon. Oh, yeah, boy. Let's send you to the sitter. Boom. All right. Now let's get Liger back in there. I like my Liger. He's not a high-end pet, but he doesn't draw attention, which I like. Sometimes. Depends on my mood. Anyway, guys, have a great day.